Good afternoon, Miguel Osio with the Winston Minute, our report at the market's close. And today, market's flat but in the green. The S&P up about 10 bips, the Dow 30, and Nasdaq 30 as well. About 10 bips away from a new historical record. So very interesting to see that in the tech sector, especially with some reports coming in this week. We also saw the MSCI index up about 0.7%, its largest gain in 2 weeks. So hopefully we see some good activity from some of our EM holdings and perpendicular indices that we follow there. A lot of individual company news with reportings coming in, Netflix in particular. You'll hear a lot more in detail from Fabian tomorrow morning, but one of our favorites to cover, they added 9.6 million new users this quarter and expected 8.9, shattering estimates, and establishing a 16% user base growth year over year. Just remarkable, especially in the face of new and improved and promising improvements in competition with Disney Plus and different streaming services and Amazon trying to build out more content and all of that. So impressive to see, and really a challenge for the other streaming services that are trying to enter the market. We also saw strong earnings from Johnson & Johnson and BlackRock. Especially interesting to see BlackRock following B of A's slightly soft reports, and but also seeing JP Morgan strong reports and some other financial institutions showing some strong earnings reports, especially after such a rough first quarter. A lot of these firms were battered. Good to see that their earning potential and their earning capacity is still there. Treasuries rates returning to sort of pre-Fed announcements a month ago, so we're seeing a little bit of retreat from the Fed. We're continuing to see that risk-on momentum in the market. And what else do I have for you here? Yeah, oil down. There seems to be a U.S. production supply glut, or at least a mismatch between production and estimates. So we saw that in prices today. Coming up for the rest of the week, we have China GDP numbers tomorrow. Stay tuned for that. And then markets are closed on Friday. That's all I have. Take care. We'll catch up tomorrow. Good night.